Look around your kitchen. A tin of milk, a box of sugar, an ice cream cone. These are all solids. Today, let us count their faces, edges, and vertices. A face is a flat surface. An edge is where two faces meet. A vertex is a corner point where edges meet. Remember these three words. Take a cube like a Maggi cube. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. All faces are equal squares. Count them carefully. Here is a magic rule by Euler. Faces plus vertices equals edges plus 2. For our cube, 6 plus 8 equals 12 plus 2. It works. Now let's try a square pyramid, like the pyramids of Egypt. Count the faces. 1 square base plus 4 triangles, giving 5 faces. It has 8 edges and 5 vertices. Let us test Euler's rule. F plus V is 5 plus 5, which equals 10. E plus 2 is 8 plus 2, also 10. Perfect, it balances. Try a triangular prism shaped like a Toblerone chocolate. It has 2 triangle ends and 3 rectangles, giving 5 faces. Count 9 edges and 6 vertices. Check Euler again. 5 plus 6 equals 11, and 9 plus 2 also equals 11. The rule never fails for these simple solids. Warning! Many students forget the curved solids. A cone has 2 faces, 1 curved edge and 1 vertex. Do not confuse faces with edges. Remember this phrase: find every vertex, then add 2. F plus V equals E plus 2. Use this to check your work in the exam. Well done! Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com and keep learning. See you next time.